Welcome to MicroFocus. This video takes you through the CPRS options in Identity Manager dashboard. When you assign a resource or an entitlement from a connected application to a user, it can be reconciled. Controlled Permission Reconciliation Services helps you to reconcile these assignments using identity applications. This video helps you to understand how to configure, compute, and reconcile permissions using CPRS for the supported Identity Manager drivers. Enabling CPRS. To start using CPRS, click Administration, Configuration, and select Permission Reconciliation. You can enable the Permission Reconciliation option on this page. The polling time for status checker specifies the time interval to check the permission reconciliation status. By default, the value is set to 10 minutes. The retention time for computed permission assignments specifies the number of days to retain the CPRS process records and computed records. By default, the value is set to 7 days. Click Submit for the changes to take effect. Let us take an example of an Active Directory driver and demonstrate how to modify the existing resources through CPRS. Click Manage Permission Reconciliation icon. Now click the Edit Permission Reconciliation Settings icon and select an entitlement. If you want to list the resources that allow you to select entitlement values at the time of assigning or requesting a resource, select the List Resources with Dynamic Value option. This lists the resources that are using the selected entitlement. Now select an existing resource. You can select more than one resource for a multi-valued entitlement. When these changes are saved, the details are displayed on the Permission Reconciliation Settings page. To compute or publish an assignment, go to Permission Reconciliation page and select a driver or an entitlement. Click the Compute icon. Click the Status icon to view the status of the process. You can view the computed assignments data in the CPRS assignments table only when the process is completed for the triggered event. Click All Assignments to view the list of all computed assignments. Click the Publish icon in order to assign or revoke assignments to the resource catalog. From the list of displayed assignments, you can filter assignments based on name or permission. You can view assignments based on the selected options. The All Assignments option is selected by default. In this, all the permissions, be it new or revoked, are displayed. The New Assignment option displays the permissions that are available in the application but not present in the resource catalog. The Revoked Assignment option displays the permissions that are available in resource catalog but not present in the application. To publish one or more assignments to the resource catalog, select the permission and click the Publish icon. Post-migration activities. Few eDirectory objects that are created during PCRS are not cleaned up during CPRS package upgrade process. You need to manually remove these eDirectory objects from the driver object path after upgrading the entitlement package. Thank you for watching this video.